Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a wicked cool 1971 Plymouth Roadrunner. Cool car, guys. Got a healthy 451 stroker motor in it with a 4-speed manual trans. Very nicely done car, guys. Beautiful paint. So the cars, this is actually lemon twist yellow. The car from the factory was actually Y3 Curious Yellow. Guy did not want it that color, but he wanted it this yellow, which is the correct color for the car, but it's just not correct for this car. Kind of neat history behind this car. It looks like there's a bunch of receipts in the trunk for it too. It looks like a guy spent about 10, 12 years restoring this car. Obviously he sold it, and then the gentleman we got it from, the paint on it's new. Other than that, I think the other guy is the one who kind of did everything to this car, but very nicely done. I do have the hood pins, by the way. We just got them out, so we can pull them out real quick for the video. He did add the air grabber hood. It is functional. You can see it's got the 15-inch Mopar rallies with the BF Goodrich Radial TAs all the way around it. Fun car to drive. Like I say, really good sounding 451 stroker motor. Good looking car. Good solid straight body. And something's pretty neat. If you're looking for a fun cruiser, I think you'll really like this car. Paint's nice. Got a little bug there. Not a whole lot to really nitpick on it. You can see it's got the chin spoilers. I saw a couple little touch-up marks, little things like that. But other than that, pretty doggone slick, guys. Air grabber is functional. I got a beep beep horn for it. I don't know if we got it hooked up yet. Of course, it's got the dual sport mirrors. You guys go open the hood. Glass is nice. Yeah, paint is really slick. It's got the B-pillar striping. It's like original back window. Like I say, just a good looking car. Great sound, man. You fire this thing up and man, does it draw attention. I started the other day when we were pulling in the building. There was a couple of people here and everybody kind of, sorry guys, my voice didn't do a great job with wax here. But I fired it up, man, and everybody went nuts. Nice and straight down the side, sits good. Those look like brand new wheels and tires on it. It's got a good sounding Flowmaster dual exhaust system with a set of chrome tips. Good looking car, man. Nice set of rallies on it. Again, this is not the original engine, guys. It's actually, like I say, a 451 stroker. It would have been originally a 383 car, but it's got a 451 stroker in it. Edelbrock aluminum intake. It's got a Torker aluminum intake. Edelbrock 4-barrel. It's got headers on it, crane camshaft, double roller timing chain. It is a factory D21 4-speed car, electronic ignition. You can see they've got the heat disconnected on the car. Mopar radiator with a flex fan. It is power steering. It's manual drum brakes on the front, just like what it came from the factory. He added the air grabber, and yes, it does work. There's your fender tag. It's got a Milidon oil pan, Milidon chrome valve covers. Roadrunner too. It's not a clone, guys. Everything's body color like it should be. Again, it's got the dual sport mirrors. Door handles are nice. New door rubbers. Door skins are nice and clean. This looks like original interior to me. It's got the remote mirror. I mean, even the carpet in here actually looks original. Bucket seats, got the Hurst shifter, factory dash. Showing 83,640. That's supposed to be the original miles. I do not know the miles on the restoration, guys. Tach works. I think all the gauges but the alternator gauge works. The radio does not work. A couple little marks there in your dash pad. It's got Flowmaster dual exhaust. They do have the frame tied. 8 3/4 323 sure grip. It's painted up real nice here in the trunk. Car is bright. We're going to put it right in the front window. There's, like I say, the receipts from the first restoration. It looked like that guy spent 10, 12 years restoring this car. Which happens. Everybody thinks that they can get these things done in a couple of months and it's cheap. And it's always been expensive to restore cars. It is unreal expensive to restore them now. It's nothing to spend $100,000 building these cars now. It's funny, most of the time when I buy a car, I ask somebody what they got in it. They don't even want to total it up. Seats look good. Pretty darn nice. On that door handle. Again, it's got the dual body color mirrors. Our runs, it rolls out strong too, guys. Oh, air grabber, like I said, air grabber does work. Tach works. Like I say, all your gauges over there function except for your alternator. Parking brake works. No, reverse light doesn't work on the dash. No on the radio, guys. Again, what do you call it? The alternator gauge is not working. Again, I got the beep beep horn in there. I'll make sure Steve gets it hooked up. Again, make sure you guys keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video.